My name is Francesca Vidali, and I'm in charge of marketing and communication at Reithera. Reithera is a CDMO. It's based in Rome, Italy. We have a lovely, beautiful facility right next to the city center. And for 2026, our strategy is to be more present at these events, to create a networking that is much more international, and to create a networking that is much more stable in the US. It's not, we are not new to conferences at all, but we are here with a different strategy and has been going on for 2025 so far very well. So we are planning to strengthen that strategy in 2026 and to be at different events, always with the same passion that we always have had at conferences. I don't think that being based in Rome is a limit at all. I think that it gives a message, the fact that in countries like Italy, there are some excellences, like Reithera is in the biotech world. So it's not a limit for us. It's also the reason why we keep on staying in Italy and we plan on staying there and to grow there. Globally, we have had so far so many partnerships and so many clients from all around the world, and we are very happy with the results that we have been able to give them. So we will keep on being in Italy and we will keep on trying our best to be the best partner for our clients outside Italy and outside Europe. I think that the key message that we would like to get out there is that Reithera is where quality is. We are a group of people that is very much dedicated to what we do. A young, very resilient company, a story that should be known by people, and a series of successes that we are very proud of. So the main message would be we are young, we are very passionate about what we do. We know how to do it because the results speak for themselves, and we are ready for everyone who wants to join us or meet us. When I talk about a very young company, I mean that the average age is 35 years old, which is fantastic. To be able to work in a community, in a company of people that are very young, very well prepared, it's beautiful. But also we have a history of almost 20 years behind us, a history of 20 years of successes and difficulties that we were actually able to overcome. So that is the resilience that I'm talking about. The expertise is there. We start from the beginning of the contract. We start from the beginning of the project. We follow our clients and our partners throughout every single step up until production. Our GMP facility is very big. We go up to 3,000 liters. So the quality is there, the experience is there, and also the capabilities the chance to be surrounded by very young and very inspired people. I think it's a plus. What makes our clients stay with us, I think it's the fact that we bring results. We bring results and the results stay there. They just not fade away. And also, I think what is important to understand is that even though this is science, we're talking about people. We are talking about what is best for people, what can we do to make people's lives better. So to have a group of project managers following you, a group of business development experts following you all the way through the project, is something that makes you feel very comfortable and also makes you feel like you are on the road for success. So this is the reason why we have been working for years with some of our partners and clients, and also we still keep on getting new ones, trying to understand what we do and what we can do for them.